My name is William Scott Bowen, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon here in Little Rock, Arkansas, and I've been working at Arkansas Surgical Hospital now for the past 20 years. I specialize in problems dealing with the hip, knee, and shoulder mainly in my practice. I am a native of Arkansas, born and raised here in Little Rock, and then for college I went to Vanderbilt University in Nashville, came back to Arkansas, to Little Rock, to UAMS for my med school training, then spent a year at Tulane University, and then came back to Arkansas to do my orthopedic residency. And since 1986 forward, I've been in private practice here in the Little Rock area. My role as an orthopedic surgeon and also as the chairman of the board since 2008 is to oversee the operations, work closely with my management team, particularly our CEO, Mr. Brian Fowler, that's done a great job for us. So I do a fair amount of joint replacements. I do knee replacements, hip replacements, and also shoulder replacements now, which is becoming a bigger part of the practice actually in orthopedics. You know, to do this in a competitive market, you need to set yourself apart. Our goal is to do that by providing the best service we can, using modern, up-to-date techniques, providing a great environment for patients and our workers so that we can be positive and focused and do this on a daily basis with the same teams and achieve these kind of outcomes that are nationally recognized. Arkansas Surgical Hospital was a dream of several of us surgeons back in the late 90s and 2000s. We were frustrated with the care that some of our patients received and the abilities for us to do what we thought was best for patients in some of our larger hospitals here. We wanted to focus on the patient and the experience that the families can benefit from. So in each of our private rooms, we have an ante room that has a couch and a pull-out bed and a TV area and a private area so patients' families can stay if they wish to overnight and just have a place to relax and be comfortable and not be right in the patient care unit. It's hard to believe that we have had this open for 20 years. Been quite some changes. We've had 4 expansions since we first opened with 16 patient rooms and 5 operating rooms to a total of 13 operating rooms and 41 hospital beds. We do twice as many joint replacements as any other hospital in the state. We do exceptional orthopedic care here and spine surgery. We have enjoyed a 5-star rating through Medicare services for the last several years and are regularly in the top 1% of patient satisfaction, good outcomes, and low complication rates compared to others in the state and nationally as well. We make this a good personal experience for our patients. We want them to be able to leave here and go to their friends and family and say, "You won't believe how well they took care of me at Arkansas Surgical Hospital."